Hi guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm unboxing this month's Birchbox. Now, if you don't know what Birchbox is, it's a beauty subscription box of 5 different items. They can be makeup, skincare and hair care products, and it's £12.95, obviously monthly. Now they can be full sizes or deluxe sizes. With Birchbox you do mostly get just like deluxe sizes, whereas Glossybox you do get more of the full sizes. So if you're looking for a box that has more full sizes, then I would say go to Glossybox, and it's only £13.25. So it's what, 30p more, and you're getting more full sizes. This month in Glossybox we did get all full sizes. So anyway, I'll have the link in the description box for you guys if you want to go and check it out anyway, and any other kind of information about this box will be also in the description box for you guys. So let's just get straight into the video and start unboxing. And here is the beautiful box for this month's Birchbox. Now this is such a stunning box, I will have to admit it. I love the butterflies, it's just so pretty, and they go all around the entire box, and then the drawer is just a yellow drawer that you pull out, and it is stunning. You do get a description card with the boxes, so I will read out what this box is about and pop this to the side. So this month's box is called Spread Your Wings, and again it has lots of butterflies and it's very colourful and it's so pretty. So it says, hello Birchboxers, this May it's time to spread your wings and join us on a voyage of new discoveries. Take a fresh approach to beauty and try something new. A new product, a new look, a new approach. It's time to get creative. Fly away with this box of 5 beauty treats, perfectly personalised to you. We do get a sneak peek of a product for next month, and it is a benefit product, and it's a brow treatment. It's a Gimme Brow. So that's what we're going to get next month. Get fuller, natural looking brows in just a few strokes. So now I'm going to open the box up and you get to see the first peek. And here are the products inside the box. Now I'm going to pop this to the side and pick out one by one. So the first product is by Kingsley, and it's an elasticizer, a intense super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability and bounce and shine. Before shampooing, wet hair and apply in sections. Work into hair with fingertips. Cover with a plastic cap and leave for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. And this is a 40ml tube, which is a good size. So this award-winning pre-shampoo treatment which works with all hair types. It adds elasticity, manageability, hydration and shine whilst reducing breakages. Apply to damp hair for a minimum of 10 minutes. Rinse and follow with shampoo and conditioner as usual. And this is a full size for £9.50. The next product we have is by the brand Lord & Berry, and it's the ultimate lip liner in vintage rose. Now we had the choice between this lip liner or a eye pencil, I think it was. I did choose the lip liner like I said I was going to, because I think I've got a lipstick that goes with this. I'm not too sure, but I think I do. It's just a beautiful berry wine shade. I do have a lot of colours that will go with this one, because this is kind of the typical colour that I do go for, and it's just a stunning colour. I love it. So it says you can forget about fading and smudging with this long wearing lip liner. The creamy formula made with macadamia oil is water resistant, so no need to worry about it coming off with your first sip of coffee. Plus the blendable texture means it's perfect to use all over your pout as a lipstick. This isn't a full size, the full size is £13. But it's a decent size anyway. The next product is by the brand Arrow, and it's Boost Colour Enhancing Lip Balm, and it's in the colour Berry Busy. Now this is a lip balm and it has 4 grams of product, and that is what Berry Busy looks like. It's a purple shade, but it goes on much sheerer. Now here's the swatch for Berry Busy. It's much sheerer on the skin than in the packaging, but it is still a stunning colour, and I expect it looks really nice on the lips. Just give it like a flush of colour, and it does feel very moisturising, so it's going to be really good for your lips. Okay, so it just says don't be fooled by the purple tint of this lip balm. Formulated to adjust to your unique pH, it enhances your natural lip colour to create the perfect just for you colour, whilst mango seed butter hydrates and protects. Throw it in your handbag or gym bag and swipe on throughout the day. Now this is a full size for £11. So the next product is by the brand Mimitica, and I've never heard of this brand before. It's a face sunscreen with SPF 50, and it's just a sunscreen. It's just a white sunscreen. I don't know if you can actually see it with the lights. It's just white, pure white, and it does have a slight scent to it. It just smells like normal sunscreen or just like a skincare product. Nothing overpowering. It would just be nice to wear it during the day, and I don't think anyone could smell it. So this is a 10ml little tub. It's a really good size to put into your handbag and kind of like reapply during the day. So Mimitica Face Sunscreen SPF 50. Not only does this SPF defend against harmful rays, it's chock full of antioxidants, vitamin E's to deeply hydrate and further protect your skin. The lightweight formula sinks in quickly with a velvety finish, never leaves an unsightly white cast, and it's free from harmful ingredients. What a dream. Now, I'm not sure if this is a full size. It's probably not, because the full size is £17.50, so I don't think this is a full size, but it is a pretty good size to put into your handbag and reapply during the day. So next product again is by a brand I've never heard of, and it's called Botanic Beauty. I think that's how you say it. And this is a nourishing mascara, volumizing and lengthening mascara enriched with almond oil and camellia oil. This product is 4 millilitres, and I'm going to open it up and show you the wand. I'm really excited to see what the wand is like. And there's the wand. It is just a black mascara. I do like the wand. It's quite a chunky wand with nice bristles actually. I do like it. So it says, not only does this mascara thicken, lengthens and volumize your lashes, it nourishes them at the same time. How? A hard-working formula enriched with almond oil and oleic acid. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. So again, this isn't a full size, but the full size is £12, and it looks like a good mascara. It is a really good month by Birchbox this month, and I'm happy with all the products. The design of the box is just beautiful, and I'm definitely going to be keeping it, storing some things in there and just use it basically. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here, and it's also linked in my description box if you guys go and check that out. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye guys.